Hello guys, welcome back with me and welcome back to my channel. Before you watch this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Today I want to tell you the news of cryptocurrency. The title is Correlation Growing Between Crypto and Equity Markets in Asia, says IMF. Before before the COVID-19 pandemic in Asia, there was a strong division between the crypto and financial markets in general. Now the border has got thinner and the situation demands additional regulatory measures. The International Monetary Fund believes. In a blog post from August 21, a group of IMF economists shared their concern over the dynamics of Asian markets, where the integration of crypto in the larger financial system appears to be growing swiftly. This poses certain risks to financial stability, the economist states, adding, the reasons behind the threatening connection between crypto and traditional finance are believed to be growing acceptance of crypto-related platforms and investment vehicles in the stock market, and growing crypto adoption by retail and institutional investors in Asia. Using the spillover methodology may develop in their global financial stability note. The experts also found a sharp rise in crypto equity volatility spillovers in India, Vietnam, and Thailand. In conclusion, Asian regulators are being recommended to establish clear guidelines on regulate financial institutions, inform and protect retail investors, and closely coordinate their efforts across jurisdictions. On July 27, the IMF Director of Capital Market, Tobias Adrian, states that there could be further failures of algorithmic stablecoin. Thus, stablecoin need a global regulatory approach to better protect investors. The economic further mentioned an example on of Indian market where the return correlation of Bitcoin and Indian stock markets have increased tenfold over pandemic. This poses certain risk to financial stability, the economic state adding. So guys, that's enough. Thank you for watching. Before you close this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and of course subscribe my channel. See you guys to the next video.